Hey guys, Tyson back again, and I just got back from work, and I got a cool little, not little, but I got a package in the mail, and I really liked my Gurren Lagann unboxing, so I'm gonna unbox something again. Obviously, you already know what it is by the title of the video, but this time it's video game related, which is more attuned to what this channel was originally about, before I ended up being lazy and not making any videos. But anyway, so now this time I'm gonna try this again. So we got really cool. Oh, look at that, it's protected. But obviously, like I said before, if you looked at the title of the video, you already know what I'm unboxing. That is the collector's edition of Blazblue Central Fiction. So one cool thing about me having this now is that this is the last Blazblue game that I need in my personal collection to complete. Not necessarily complete, but have every single main title and spin-off title of Blazblue. And that doesn't include the other versions, like the Vita version of Chrono Phantasma or the 3DS version or stuff like that. But I at least have every single main title of the series, and this, like I said, completes my collection. I don't have every limited edition. I think I only have actually one limited edition of another Blazblue game. I think that's Continuum Shift. But yeah, I love the design of Blazblue, obviously because I'm a huge fan of anime, and it's a very anime-oriented game. And I kind of like the. I haven't gotten into the game as much as I have, like, let's say Marvel vs. Capcom or Street Fighter, but hopefully, obviously I want to. And this is the latest version, so I guess there's really not a better place to start than here. I have played every game so far, and I really do enjoy it. So anyway, let's get to checking this out. It's actually a pretty big box. I didn't think it was going to be this big. It comes with the game, some kind of art book, soundtrack, and a... Oh my god, there's a Nendoroid in here? What? Or it's petite, I imagine it's a small one, but I didn't know that. I bought this because, like I said, this is the last one I need, and I saw on Amazon it went from $60 to... No, it was like originally $60, and then it dropped to like $40, so I was like, you know, at that price, I'll probably pick it up. Focus. Alright, so here we go. Let's unbox this, man. No, I really should have a sharper knife, considering, my career choice, but whatever. Yeah, man. I always wonder what the most, like, I don't know. It's like, what can I say about unwrapping this box? Slowly but surely just peeling away all the layers. Alright, that's enough of that. That was weird. Okay, so I think this is a slip-on. Yeah, you know you're anime-oriented when this is what you're revealing. Okay, alright. Is the back the same? Nope. No, it's just a box. Alright, let's go. Man. Oh, this is so sick. This is so cute. Noelle's like my favorite character in the game. At least like from a character design perspective and gameplay perspective. I haven't really, like I said, I haven't really gone into the series like mechanically as much as I should have, but you know, so far she's like my favorite character. Soundtrack. I really wish they would give actual like CD cases instead of these cardboard slips, because I can't really display this on like my CD section on my bookshelf, but yeah, that's cool. Of course, the game itself. I wonder when Blazblue's going to make the transition to the 3D cel-shaded art style that Guilty Gear Xrd is going for, because I really like that. This is a big book. Hold on. Get out of the way real quick. This is a big book, actually. Move these first. I will unbox that Noelle figure, by the way. Let's take a look at this art book first. Oh, Calamity Trigger. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Can we get to like the cool action art, not the creepy like anime art that everybody thinks anime is all about? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, yeah. So yeah, there's the art book. It's I I'll take a look at that later. So let's move on to this little petite figure. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Oh, this is cool. I mean, I ordered it, but I didn't actually read what comes with this. I didn't know there was going to be a small figure. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's adorable. Okay, screw it. So I cut all of that out because that was actually a lot more annoying and very unprofessional and kind of embarrassing. But here you go. It's really adorable. You know, like the stand too, so you can just... Perfect. Of course, let's finally open the game up. So much plastic to peel. I don't know how people unbox like every single thing they get, because this is actually a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. Oh, cool! It comes with a manual. Not a lot of PS4 games come with manuals anymore, so it's kind of been tough trying to collect PS4 games because you're kind of like, does this one come with a manual? Does this one not? A little research you got to do. And that was the limited edition of Blazblue Central Fiction. It's actually a pretty cool collector's edition, or limited edition, all things considered, because the art book is a hardcover, like actual real art book, and it comes with this small figure, and of course you get the soundtrack and the game itself and stuff like that. So if you find this at a good deal, I would say, you know, like at $40 was the price for me to finally buy it, but obviously if it's still going to go down, it might become 30 or even hopefully 20 or something like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this a little more jumpy unboxing, but I still had fun. And I guess tune in next time for maybe another unboxing or maybe something else. Anyway, enjoy your day. Take care, guys.